Hello friends, in this video we will learn multiplication of two-digit number where the sum of the first digit is 10 and the last digit is the same. So we will take one example, 3 in 36 into 76. There you can see that the last two digits are same, 6 and 6, and the first digit, that is 3 and 7, the sum is 10. So in this type of sum we will first separate the last two digits. 6 and 6, here multiply these two numbers. 6 6 are 36. Now we will multiply 3 and 7. 3 sevens are 21. Now we will add this 6 here, the 6 which we were separating. So 6 we will add here, so it becomes 27. So the final answer is 2736. This is the final answer. Thank you.